I recently celebrated my birthday, and what better way to celebrate my birthday than with a trip? No, I am someone who enjoys traveling, whether it's, locally across Ireland, overseas. Yeah, of course. I love to fly out, right? And I love to just like go in my car, drive, and just enjoy some downtime. And for this birthday, I went to Negril, and that's Negril, Jamaica. I went on the West End, and trust me, I have not been to Negril in so long. And this was just a great way for me to recharge, reset, refocus because the past few months have been really hectic for me. I'm just going through a period of transition, and it is just a new season, and yeah, it was a lot. So for this birthday, I decided I'm going to Negril. I haven't been there in a while, and I was like, you know what, let's do it. I spent my time at Ocean Cliff Hotel, which is on the west end of Negril, and that's where a lot of boutique hotels are. So you'll have the opportunity to wake up to see in the ocean. You can go out on the cliff, have some downtime, just enjoy yourself. And Negril is really my vibe. I've realized it's very chill, it's very laid back, and typically I'm a chill laid back type of girl. So just enjoying my time in Negril for my birthday was just really good. Right, so I just enjoyed a lot of quiet moments, spent a lot of time reflecting, being in nature, just being myself. I've just, as like I said, I've just been up and down a lot, and this trip was just for me to slow down, like all the way down. I am not someone who is like the go with the flow type of girl. I'm not that person. I'm not really the go with the flow type of person, and I've been learning how to do that more. It's not the easiest, but I'm learning. And so just spending my time in the grill at this boutique hotel, which was just really beautiful and quaint, and everything that's just about just relaxing. Yeah, that's the Ocean Cliff. And on my birthday morning, I went out to see the sunrise. I woke up a little too late, or should I say came out a little too late. I didn't see the sunrise, but I really enjoyed just basking in the beauty of the morning. And I spent a lot of time journaling, like I was just writing and just doing a lot of reflection about my journey and just who I am and who I want to become more of. And that was just really beautiful for me. I enjoyed that so much. And one of the things I have found as someone who is a growing entrepreneur, I set very big goals, very ambitious goals, as I'd say, audacious goals. And sometimes they get very overwhelming, especially when, I'm not achieving them as quickly as I'd like. And, so in this season, and especially in the last season, I've been just learning to trust the process more, to trust God more, to trust the timing of my life, right? Which I'm going to be very honest, hasn't been the easiest, right? So, transitioning from just doing a side hustle into just growing a business, a sustainable business, learning what my audience wants, seeking clarity, just knowing that I need to be more focused, be more strategic, and again, just allowing myself to breathe and to pace myself, because what I found, I can't hustle my way into what God has for me, right? So that is something that I have been learning. And with that, I've like, what, I need to spend more time just enjoying life, right? Enjoying the downtime, doing more things that I really enjoy. And one of those things is like just being in nature, going to the beach, going to the river, going anywhere there's river or any water body. Yeah. And yeah, I really enjoyed this trip. Like I said, very chill, very laid back, and just being in a space that I don't visit very often was one of the things that I think was just really, I don't know how to describe it. It was just really peaceful and relaxing for me. And I had moments when I was like, oh, I need to do this and I need to go here and I want to go here. And I had to just like, listen, relax yourself and go where you need to go. when the time is right, because I was just really tired overall. And one of the places I wanted to go was Rick's Cafe, right? The first time I went to Rick's Cafe was during my university years. And listen, Rick's Cafe is a whole vibe, right? I went there on my birthday and the vibe was just right, just persons just dancing and the music and, just the divers being out there and taking the risk and jumping off. And one of the things that I really wanted to do that I didn't get to do was jumping off the cliff. Not the high one, but the one low, like where you're seeing right now. I definitely wanted to jump off there. But I didn't get to because I wasn't very confident about doing it. So I'm still doing my swim classes and building that confidence to swim more in like the ocean and even to just jump off a cliff. So hopefully the next time I go to Negril, I'll get to do that dive, which I really want to do, and to just do more water activities. But I just want to drop a reminder for like my growing entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs who are building a business to take time to identify what brings you joy, identify what you love, and just lean more into that, right? I'm saying that to you, but I'm also just reminding myself like, enjoy the things that make you you. Like for me, I'm a nature girl, I'm a water girl. I like a little bit of adventure. I love music. I love going out. I like, just going to new places, trying different foods, all of that. I am that girl, and one of the things I want to do in this season is to just do that more. Go to different restaurants, try new experiences, enjoy different foods, and just enjoy life while working towards my goals. I've always been that girl who is just so laser focused on the goal and forgetting everything around me. And I'm really trying to understand, or I've been understanding that that's just not life. You want to enjoy the journey and not just the destination. So I am just reminding myself and reminding you to do the small things that bring you joy while you're on your journey, and go somewhere fun, go somewhere new, go somewhere exciting, go somewhere that makes you come alive. And as I said, after just a period of transition and leaning into this new season, I know that there's just so many things to come that I can't wait to embrace. And at the end of the day, after just a rough season last year and coming into this year, I know that all the rewards and goodness and favor is coming from the Lord, and I'm just truly grateful for that. So yeah, I had a great birthday, enjoyed a new experience, did a lot of what I enjoyed doing, and yeah man, I'll do it 10 times over. And if you want to go to Ocean Cliff, I would definitely say 10 out of 10 would recommend.